Welcome back to the channel. In this week's episode, we're going to be installing some new grips, but we're doing more than just the grips. We also are going to be installing Thrashin Supply's Billet throttle tube for throttle by wire. Everyone's kind of got a different rule of thumb when they install new grips. It's been more of a modern trend to, instead of buying the big, bulky, standard, classic, if you will, Harley-Davidson grips, a lot of guys will do like motocross style grips or dirt bike style grips, which wear out more often than the standard Harley-Davidson, like the big, you know the ones I'm talking about. So in this case, the ones that we're replacing are the Thrashin Supply with the lightning bolts on them. Now, as you can see on that one, it's actually not that bad, but on my left-hand side, it is pretty worn down in a lot of the places. So I figured, what the hey, why not get some new grips for sharkbait here, as well as replace the throttle tube. So the throttle tube, generally speaking, is like, people just keep the stock one. The stock one off of the Harley-Davidson bike. Well, when you use throttle glue or grip glue on your grips, every time you pull those grips off, you have to maybe take a razor knife and shave some of that rubber that's still stuck to the throttle tube. And over time, you can kind of shave either too much of that plastic off of the actual throttle tube, or sometimes it makes installing new grips a little bit more difficult. So I thought, well, why not just buy the Billet throttle tube, and then it's knurled and all that jazz, so I shouldn't really need grip glue. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So let's get into it. So the first step when removing these grips is, everyone's kind of got their own method. Uncle Rob's got this really cool method where he shoves an air hose. He'll peel back what he can off of this top part and then shove an air hose in it and then push pressurized air in it, and he can normally just pull that thing right off. Well, I really don't want to make all that noise in the garage right now because it is early morning and I don't want to wake anyone else up in the house. So what I do, especially if I'm not going to reuse these, is I will just run a razor knife ever so gently down the length of it. And that makes that for short work. As you can see, I'm still going to need to pull this off. Okay, now that we got this loosened up, we need to loosen up our perch clamp. Oh no, I'm hitting the camera. There, we just kind of got the perch clamp and the clutch just kind of pulled up out of the way. Voila. I like to use Windex when installing new grips. Just kind of lubes it up a little bit, makes it go on a lot easier. Make sure that thing is seated all the way down. There we go. Got it falling off. All right, so we got the Thrashin Supply Moto Grip installed on clutch side. Let me put my quad lock back on real fast. Now we move on to throttle side. Again, first step, loosen up your perch clamp. You can go ahead and just slide that out of the way. Second step, loosen up your housing. I do believe that is the proper terminology. You can, voila. So now that we have the throttle tube off with the grip on it, let's do a little compare and contrast with what I'm upgrading to. There we go. All right, so this is what we're going to. This is Thrashin Supply's Billet throttle tube. Really nice. It's got this like Babbitt material, if you will. Really nice, super easy. Allows it to twist, really nice. And then on this side, as you can see, they don't really have that. It's just normal plastic. It's the same material going all the way down. And as you can tell, I've replaced the grips twice now. And just over time, you get a buildup of glue and rubber, and it makes putting these on a lot harder than it has to be. So I'm pretty stoked. Let's go get these on the bike. So right off the bat, before we do anything, what we could do is just install this now. Oh yeah, that grips. Might have to do this off camera. And you just slowly work it on. Oh yeah, there is no glue needed on this. You just slowly work it on. I hope YouTube doesn't flag this. All right, there we go. Voila. Yeah, you're gonna leave a few marks on your hand, but luckily for me, I don't have a lot of feeling in my hands anyways. Oh, so nice. Locks right into place. Now you just put all your stuff back on. voila, Bob's your uncle. Love it. And obviously, again, every time you do an adjustment on anything dealing with your handlebars, your controls, all that jazz, sit on the bike, make sure your mirrors are adjusted to where they're supposed to be, make sure your controls are adjusted to where they're easily accessible for you. This has been a pretty quick and easy install, but check this action out. Really nice. The fact that I don't need grip glue on that throttle tube just makes me feel good. I hate using glue, hate it. But let me sit on the bike real fast, get some adjustments done. And for that I need shoes. I'm on vacation right now and it's pretty early, so I'm barefoot in my garage. Never a good idea. Oh yeah, they are so far off. All right, 1 second. Basically, the best way to do this while you're sitting on the bike is to loosen everything up just a little bit. We'll start with this side. Okay, that's loosed, that's loosened. So now, all I gotta do is loosen this one. I should be able to roll it. Oh, it's so much better. Right about there. Perfect. Now this side. This side's not as tweaked, but it still needs to roll back a little bit, I think. I mean, not really. Oh, that needs to get tightened up though. Yeah, I can live with that. Let me tighten it up though. Perfect. That's all you need. There you have it. Thrashin Supply Moto Grips and Billet throttle tube install. I really like these grips. Heck yeah. Cool. So let me know in the comment section below, what are your guys' favorite style of grips? Do you guys like the permanent old school style of grips, or are you guys liking these motocross style or dirt bike style grips? Let me know in the comment section below. Let me know if you upgraded your throttle tube too. I'm kind of curious to hear some long-term reviews of that thing. It's not like it was that expensive, but it's still, you know, something else for shark bait, something else for you guys to check out. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching my videos every week. I really do appreciate it. Any engagement helps a small channel like me. Likes, comments, obviously subscribing really helps out. Lets me know I'm doing something right. So with that, I will leave you guys to it. Keep the shiny side up, rubber side down. See you guys when I see you.